Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Ford EcoSport steering pulling and provides a general overview of situations where the vehicle may tend to drift or pull to one side while driving. Steering pulling is described here as a condition where the steering does not remain centered without constant correction from the driver. This explanation remains general because steering behavior can vary by model year, drivetrain configuration, road conditions, mileage, and maintenance history, and the issue may not apply to every Ford EcoSport. In reviewed technical and service-related information, steering pull is treated as a driving behavior rather than a single confirmed fault. In some situations, steering pull may be more noticeable at certain speeds, during braking, or on uneven road surfaces. Older generations may experience different steering characteristics due to normal wear over time, while newer models could still show pulling behavior depending on alignment status, tire condition, or prior servicing. The presence of steering pull alone does not automatically identify a specific cause and typically requires inspection. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. From a general guidance perspective, steering pull concerns are usually evaluated through alignment checks and inspection of steering and suspension-related components rather than assumptions. Some situations may be resolved through routine adjustments, while other cases may require further evaluation if a verified condition is identified. Driving environment and maintenance practices can also influence steering behavior. In conclusion, steering pulling in the Ford EcoSport can have different explanations depending on vehicle generation, condition, and operating environment. Understanding that steering behavior is not identical across all vehicles helps ensure accurate evaluation and appropriate next steps. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.